Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell PhonePe coupons. First, understand the various types of coupons available, from dining discounts to travel deals. Next, identify your target audience. For instance, a food coupon might appeal to local restaurant goers. Finally, familiarize yourself with how to access and manage your existing coupons within the PhonePe application. This foundational knowledge is crucial for a smooth selling experience, ensuring you know exactly what you are offering. To effectively sell your coupons, start by leveraging social media platforms like Facebook Marketplace or local community groups. Clearly describe the coupon's value, such as a 20% discount on a 500 rupee purchase, its expiry date, and any specific terms and conditions. High-quality screenshots of the coupon details can significantly boost buyer confidence. Remember, a well-presented offer attracts more serious inquiries and helps you find the right buyer quickly. Once you have a buyer, agree on a fair selling price, perhaps 50% of the coupon's face value, ensuring both parties benefit. For payment, always use secure methods like PhonePe itself or bank transfers to avoid any disputes. The actual transfer of the coupon is straightforward within the PhonePe app. Simply select the coupon and choose the option to send it to another user's registered mobile number. Confirm the transfer only after receiving and verifying the payment. To ensure a successful and safe transaction, always verify that the buyer's payment has been fully received and cleared before initiating any coupon transfer. Be vigilant against common scams, such as requests for partial payments or unusual transfer methods. Building trust is paramount. Maintain clear and prompt communication with potential buyers, answering all their questions transparently. Following these simple guidelines will help you sell your PhonePe coupons efficiently and securely, protecting both your interests and the buyers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.